WEVD, I got to replace Tzvi Schooler doing the news a couple of times in the morning, and Tzvi started to pull back from that, and I was given the assignment of the daily news show. So going back from 2018 years, what would that be? 1982? Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's when I started.
Yeah.
And so I started to do the daily Yiddish news, and I'd get there at 6 in the morning. I'd go on the air at 7:30, at 9:30, and do 15 minutes and just do the news. Just pick it off the wires, listen to the radio in the morning and just get stories out there. Focus a little bit more on Jewish things, but not much more. It was the general news for the Yiddish-speaking public. And it was great. It was a great experience, just being there every day. Also, from the other side, I met the Greek. It was the station that speaks your language. So I befriended the Greek broadcasters and the morning show people. It was Art Raymond, the Yiddish disc jockey, like that. He was like Cousin Brucey to the Jewish audience. He was that popular, and through him I got to meet Claire Barry of the Barry Sisters, and so WEVD was a world in and of itself. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience, and I got to what I never really quite grasped was that when I was on that microphone, there were thousands of people listening. I never got that. Never really connected with me, and maybe until much later. And so it was a more intimate experience, and I would get through it every day, and I would just, eventually, I came into contact with Hasidim, and then they would hear my name, and it's Moishe Rosenfeld. What, from the radio? and I would say, yeah, it's me, yeah, you listen? He says, what, are you kidding me? My mother listens, I listen, the whole family listens, the whole shtibel listens. And the guys at West Side Judaica, I was a star walking in there. And so the WEVD became a little, more significant, in the way, I saw my identity.